Just arrived at, where we at? Showboat? Showboat for Spider and AC second annual. Just arrived, 4 hours getting out of New York City. About an hour and a half of traffic just to leave. We're here now. We're gonna go in the hotel, check in, and see where all the Spiders and Rykers are parked at. So let's go. Miniature golf here. We got a racetrack here. So we're gonna do some go-karting. I think here they got a skate park. Yeah, that's the skate park, definitely. Ice skate or roller skate. One of those. And then we're gonna hit, this is the casino area. Coming up, I'm gonna go find my room, check in, and see where the rest of the bikes are. I didn't do a video about that food because it was nasty. Which way? This way. Yeah, that food was disgusting, so don't ever eat there. Ugh. This yours?
It's my husband's, yes.
It's nice.
Thanks. That's Kate. Just so you know.
Wow.
That's her husband. Phil. Phil.
Now I just got to figure out Joe Crone.
Yes, sir. Here in AC, out here with Long Island Trikes, Summer Team Spider here, hanging with the boys, having a good time out here, good ride up. Gonna take this group photo. Out here with the guys, out here with the crew, that's what's up. Doing YouTube, having a good time, AC, beautiful day, beautiful people, beautiful riding. Check it out. Smart. Yeah. Pull in front of you?
Yeah. Oh yeah, without doubt. Stuff look good. Who did the work?
Local people in Philly.
It was like a woodwork. Right? Yes.
I know, they gonna tell me what to do.
I put the camera on. How's my hair? Look good. All right, we're here at the Showboat Casino at the biggest event in history for AC. It's called, what's the name of this thing?
Spiders in AC.
The Spiders in AC, all right. We got about 5,000 spiders here ready to go. Take a look, show the people. Show the people.
You love it.
I'm here.
Nothing now, they're getting ready to ride out.
That's all I need. Right. Yeah, oh yeah.
All right, so the spot is about to head out. They're gonna meet up with a bunch of other riders, and they'll be riding out there for about 3-4 hours, come back to the hotel, and get you some more footage of all these beautiful spiders that's gonna be riding out.
I want to show you guys today in this video the legendary, world famous, one of a kind. Oh, this is my magician right here too. Show the people.
You want to see a magic trick?
Hell yeah, get up.
All right, hold on, let me cut it. Magic trick.
I got some
All I
you can
need,
give out.
I don't need nothing more than a
Give me the
cigarette.
bag.
And I'll do a magic trick for y'all.
Give out my
Go.
No, it's right.
Oh,
Just,
now I'm
Oh,
dropping.
you're fine. Make yourself disappear. Bro, you gotta stop taking a job.
Cigarette.
Ladies,
Good, man.
I have some special gifts from you from Showchrome. Showchrome is the largest aftermarket repair company that sells parts for your spider. Come on, man.
Part blasting, let's go. But like, all right, so here's the cigarette, right?
Okay, first, all right,
Right.
let me show you something real special. Right?
See it?
Gone.
All the stuff for your
Where
spider.
the fuck it at? Where the fuck it at? Right there.
This guy, he'll give you.
Yeah, we going like this.
It's gone
He's a
again.
brand ambassador for
Yeah.
Showchrome. He'll give you.
You know what I mean?
And if you say good things about
we
yourself,
tap
it goes to
names
7. You should be recording all this. Shit.
put things together.
I'll give you the footage.
Okay, so in the gift bag, I don't know what's in the gift bag. We're gonna just go through the gift bag right now. Ladies.
It's a t-shirt, a brochure, and some stickers.
All right. Very nice.
It's the same one. I just cut mine. AC.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
I like
Very
that.
nice. Ladies, all right? All right, put it in the bag with a sticker and a brochure, right?
Okay.
Now for 60% off, what you gotta do?
It's a 10% off coupon.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's right
On the
there.
brochure. There's this code.
Because I already see I want the mini bra.
You can cut them. I think they're all
Give
the
it to
same
your kids.
size.
Thank you guys. Where's your bike at? I'm gonna slap this on.
Yes.
Pick a card, any card. Let's do a magic trick. Where'd the magician go?
He disappeared.
Yeah, good. He's terrible.
You did the
They're not
magic
paying
trick.
that. I hope they're not paying him. No, he was terrible.
It's recording. So, it's time to bless the Showchrome bike with the upgraded mirror reflective high density, no rust, no fade sticker. Look at that. What do they call that? Aluminum?
I don't know. It looks good.
Man, ooh, it's heavy.
Upgrade.
Nice and straight, y'all. Nice and straight. One try. Ooh!
There we go. Yes.
Showchrome.
Yeah.
Recording.
Today is going to be the first time I take a seat on the world's famous Showchrome show bike. Do this part in slow motion.
Sacrifica por nosotros.
Okay. Extended brake pedal. Highway pegs. Right? End weights. Handlebar riser. Gauge riser. Custom wrap. What else? Oh, we got some more stuff. You got the end caps from Show Chrome. The passenger floorboards from Show Chrome. What else we have here? Besides it being the entire Show Chrome bike, it's totally accessorized with Show Chrome. Show Chrome guards, radiator guard, front grille guard. Oh, it feels good. I like it. Handlebars, the riser on the handlebars are nice. This is the first time I felt them. This is mean.
Start it up.
Oh, we got the heated hand grips.
Start it up.
Yeah.
All right, go. Spin it. Go ahead, spin it.
Stop the heat brakes there. Oh, we see it.
Not bad.
Oh, man. Feels good. No.
You know what I'm saying?
No, they're not.
So you want to try beachfront?
Yeah.
And I'll get the chicken with broccoli.
All right, she's getting the chicken with broccoli. We're in a place called UU at the Hard Rock Cafe because the food in the showboat was disgusting. So we're here and we're gonna order from UU and I don't know what else to get, but I'll figure it out. Hopefully the food is gonna be good. This is more like a food vlog than it is an actual riding vlog. It's gonna be in between. Check out the mirror though. We got the best waitress too. She's cool.
Was there a microwave in the room?
Nope. Looks like we're taking this back cold.
Jump on the rock.
All right, from here, we're going to take a short hop, about 40 minutes over to Sweetwater Marina. Real nice place on the water, good food. The thing I ask you is please order as soon as we get there and don't dilly-dally so much because last year it really consumed a lot of our riding time. Last year we would have
I just made it. I lost my key.
Go to the back, bro. They're pulling out now.
All right, we're here live. Everybody's about to pull out now. We're gonna take 500 bikes to Wildwood, right? Then hit up the coast of Jersey Shores, the beautiful shores of New Jersey. And it's gonna be an amazing day. We got some fantastic spiders here today. Come here, let me show you the spider.
Go, people.
Say
man.
something to the people.
I love it out here. Shout out to Show Chrome rolling on 3. Damn, why it's gotta be so bright in my feet, Herb? They can see me. They don't have to see what I ate yesterday. Listen, we out here. It did.
Listen.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Nah, they said I could sit here.
Yeah, we could take the cover off and you said say one to like back.
Ask Keith to go again. Say,
Keith, you coming to
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
Come on,
Right
come on.
line,
You're right on.
Alright, last day of the ride out, Spiders AC. It's been a little, they're gonna ride out, hook up with the people in the other hotel and ride out. So the last day I had a wonderful time. It was great. Beautiful bikes, beautiful people. Follow me in the next vlog. Check it out. They are on their way. 6 hours. Absolutely, absolutely. There you go, second group, pull it out.
you know, they wait for each other. They don't even leave each other. They wait for everything. They wait. And they got that real like this. I don't know how you do that. You know what I mean?
One more guy, you gotta put down.
Right. He's not even
Oh, we got a last minute.
They're gonna wait for everybody. They're not gonna just leave.
There they go.